Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can change name in Revolut. And what is the only way how we can do it is this. So when you're going to click settings, when you go to personal details or account details, you can change it, because when you're going to click here, you're unable to do it, right? You can click here and you can change it. But what you need to do, you need to first close your account. You need to create a completely new account if you want to have a new name. You can also try it with a support, but I don't think that's going to work out. So close account, and that's the only way how we can change name in Revolut. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, but this is the only way right now how you can do it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.